Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will talk about how to find English teachers on Webtalk. I'm going to inform you that Webtalk is the best place to find English native speakers, and all you just need is go and join Webtalk and attend their classes for free. It's something very amazing because you attend classes for free, which is nowadays so kind of hard to find English teacher, and he or she is native and they teach you for free. On Webtalk you can find it. Just be with me, I'm showing you how look likes. As you see here, we have an English native speaker that he teaches on Webtalk, and he teaches about 2 or 3 times in the week, and he scheduled it on Webtalk, and all his lessons is free. As you see here, he scheduled a post that he will have an English lessons, and he put the time, UK time, and also put meeting ID and the passcode, because he will teach through the Zoom app, and all you just need is register your name in the comment by writing your names, and in this case he will let you to go to his classes for free. So it's something amazing that you just join for free. So easy to do it. So all you just need is join Webtalk and join their classes for free, and not even him. There are so many teachers that you can able to attend their classes for free.
Today we're going to be looking at some vowel sounds, okay, and why it's necessary to practice these vowel sounds. The vowel sounds we have today
And not only on Webtalk you can have English lessons for free, you can join lives and have debate and discussion about specific topic in English and improve your English skills, especially the speaking one. And join Webtalk and join them to speak with them and practice every day. So if you don't have Webtalk account, you can find the link in the description of this video and join Webtalk, and you will be able at that time to speak and have English lessons for free. So this was the video about, and you can click on the other videos and show you how to create a Webtalk step by steps, and I hope you like this video.